Hello again and welcome to MarkSharks. In this video, we are going to showcase one of our app's many classroom features. In our last video, we introduced our premium feature for teachers and tutors, which is called MarkSharks Classroom. MarkSharks Classroom is a digital environment designed to create a smooth teaching experience for schools, colleges, and coaching institutes. It helps streamline administrative tasks, reduce paperwork, manage attendance, and student evaluations. Let's take a look at the homework feature of MarkSharks Classroom, where you can review and assign homework. Enter the Homework tab and click on the Add button. Select the particular class section and then select the subject. The options on our app cover maths and sciences. After that, enter a title or a subject heading and then a short description of the homework. You can choose to upload the relevant homework files and add an expiration date, which is the deadline for that homework to be completed and submitted by your students. Then, select the status of the homework. You can select students for it to go live or save it as a draft for the future. And that's it. Click Add Homework and you're all set. The homework will be live and will be accessible to your class on our MarkSharks app. It's that simple. Thank you for watching our showcase feature for this episode, as MarkSharks continues to empower schools and create an ever-present digital platform, which in turn aims to help students become future-ready. Please give this video a like to spread its reach and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram to stay tuned for more content. To try MarkSharks for free, click the link below. MarkSharks, learning by doing.